Okay, number 1, Josie recorded the number of minutes she studied on 16 different days. Her data is shown below. Josie decided to create a frequency table using her data. What will Josie use on a frequency table to represent the number of times she studied for 60 minutes? Number 2, the table below shows how much pizza 10 friends ate for dinner. If Clark makes a frequency table to represent this data, what number will be in the frequency column for 1/8? Number 3, the table below shows the number of points earned by Al. Which stem and leaf plot represents the number of points Al earned? Number 4, the dot plot below represents the heights of a group of people. How many of the people in this group measured 1 65/100 meters tall? All right, let's look up here at number 9. The frequency table shows the ages of ballet dancers and the number of dancers of each age in Ballet Austin Dance Company. How many dancers in Ballet Austin Dance Company are older than 10 or younger than 9 years old? Number 10, Felicia recorded the weights of different rocks. She weighed each rock to the nearest whole pound and then recorded the data in the dot plot below. What is the number of rocks Felicia weighed? Number 11, Sergio recorded the number of laps he ran at track practice each day for 26 days. He created the stem and leaf plot below to display the data. How many days did Sergio run 23, 24, or 25 laps? Number 12, Sophia recorded the time she spent studying for her math test. The dot plot shown below represents the number of times she studied different amounts of time. How many more times did Sophia practice 8/12 of an hour than she practiced 5/12 an hour or less? Okay, number 1 on this page. The rule divided by 5 is used to show the relationship between the position of a number in a pattern and the value of that number. Which table shows this relationship? Number 2, Byron Elementary School has a game night where students can turn in tickets to get game chips. Each chip can be used to play a game. The table below shows the relationship between the number of tickets, T, and the number of chips, C. Which equation shows the correct relationship between the number of tickets and the number of chips? Number 3, the table below shows the relationship between the input numbers and the output numbers generated by a number machine. Which number machine shows the same relationship as the one in the table? Number 4, the table below shows the relationship between the number of bottles and the number of ounces of soda. Which shows the correct rule for the table? Number 5, the table below shows the relationship between the number of calories and the number of donuts. How many calories are in one donut? Number 6, the table below shows the relationship between the input numbers and the output numbers generated by a number machine. Which number machine shows the same relationship as the one in the table? Number 7, the rule plus 71 is used to show the relationship between the input number and the output number. Which table shows this relationship? Number 8, the table below shows the relationship between the number of boxes B and the number of spoons S. Which equation shows the correct relationship?